Daily cleaning for the TurboChef Bullet oven. Use only TurboChef approved cleaning chemicals. Failure to adhere to these procedures or the use of any other cleaning products may damage critical oven components, resulting in a non-warranty service call. To clean the TurboChef Bullet oven, you will need TurboChef oven cleaner, TurboChef oven guard, nylon scrub pad, and clean towels. You will need to wash, rinse, sanitize, and dry each part after removing them. Do not use a hose or water jet on any parts for this oven. Step 1. Cool the oven. The ovens operate at temperatures of up to 550 degrees Fahrenheit or 285 degrees Celsius and may cause injury if not allowed to cool properly. Turn off the oven by pressing the on-off key. Slightly open the oven door. Cooling takes approximately 30 minutes. Do not proceed until the oven displays ready to clean. Step 2. Remove the baking stone. Gently dry scrub with a nylon scrub pad to remove food particles. Scrubbing the baking stone too vigorously can cause it to crack or break. Do not immerse the baking stone in water. If it is immersed by accident, allow it to dry completely before using. Otherwise, it may crack and break. Next, clean the wire rack. The wire rack is held in place by tabs that are positioned underneath either side of the jet plate. Lift the rear of the wire rack. Pull the wire rack forward until the tabs are free. Next, clean the jet plate. Caution! Handle the jet plate with care to avoid chipping the porcelain coating. Use a nylon scrub pad and dry scrub the jet plate. Next, clean the air filter. Remove the air filter from the back of the oven. During oven operation, the filter must remain in place at all times. Rinse the air filter with hot water and allow the air filter to dry completely. Caution: TurboChef does not recognize blocked air vents as a warrantable claim. Next, remove large food particles. The heating element can be lifted for cleaning underneath. Do not attempt to clean the heating element. Step 7. Clean the oven cavity. Apply oven cleaner to a nylon scrub pad and clean the top, sides, and bottom of the cavity. For stubborn stains, spray oven cleaner and allow it to penetrate for 5 minutes. Do not apply excessive pressure to the waveguide covers located on each side of the cavity. Then wipe down the oven cavity with a damp kitchen rag. Then dry the oven cavity with a dry kitchen rag. Next, clean and dry the oven door. Clean the oven door with oven cleaner and a dry kitchen rag, and then dry the oven door with a dry kitchen rag. Spray oven guard onto a kitchen rag. Wipe the cavity walls and inside of the oven door. Do not spray oven guard into the oven or apply to the heating element. Reinstall the jet plate, wire rack, and baking stone. Do not operate the oven without the bottom jet plate installed. Oven damage may occur. Close the oven door. Reinstall the filter or replace it with a new one if the mesh is deteriorated, has large openings, or has started to dislodge from the frame. Finally, wipe the oven exterior with a damp kitchen rag. Remove the panel beneath the door. Remove any large food particles from the panel by wiping it with a kitchen rag. Then reinstall the panel beneath the door. The oven is now ready to turn on.